Alright, what is up you guys? Today I have a double unboxing video. But first I kind of want to explain this setup. So this is a different setup compared to my first video. My first video was in the kitchen, but there's a lot of noise around the kitchen, so I decided to make this cool little setup in my room. So I have 3 tapestries that I put up on my desk. Takeuchi. So this is a tapestry of Okita and Okita Altria. And the next one is a tapestry also by Takeuchi. All of these are by Takeuchi. So this is Saber Altar. And this last one is Mash. Nice little tapestry. Oh, Mash plush. So yeah guys, what do you guys think of this setup? I'm gonna be trying this setup since I can control more of the noise in my room as compared to the kitchen. So the figures we have today: Saber, Altria Pendragon Altar by Kotobukiya, and then Master, Artoria or Altria by Alter. I'll start off with Alter first and have her unboxed. So let me get that. Alright, so now I have her unboxed. As you can see, we got this first pose. Let me get some close up. And then if you take off this arm and attach this arm, so attach this sword, wedge it under her fingers, and then between this rock, and you got this pose. Overall, not too bad of a figure. She is kind of considered a budget figure. I think she is in the 100 range. I bought her on sale for like around, I want to say $70, but she usually goes around $100. I'll put the price up. And then there's another figure of the Shinjuku version, but on her bike. I would consider that over this figure, even if it does cost more. I'll show a comparison in this video also. So let's get to this other figure. impressions of this figure is that it's pretty good. I'd say it's one of the more unique versions. It's a nice little figure. The only thing that I would say that could be done better is have a better base. As you can see, it is just a plain little base with a name on it, nothing unique. I believe both figures are 1/7 scale. Master Altria looks a bit smaller because of her base. But overall, both are good quality figures. I think more or less in the same price range. So, budget figures. Master Altria I don't think is available in most places anymore. So you would probably have to wait for a rerun of that. The Altria version is available right now because I think they have another rerun going on. So she's more readily available. What do you guys think? Which one do you guys prefer? But I chose these two figures because they're kind of similar in their casual outfits. It's kind of a good contrast between the two. And then I guess I could just throw in this as a little extra, kind of a showcase of this little book that I bought. Just a little novel in Japanese. So I like to have that on display. A little showcase of Artoria love. And I guess while I'm at it, I'll also show off my first figure. I won't show it off too well because it's kind of dirty. But that was my first figure when collecting figures. So I've always liked Okita. It's a nice little figure that I got during Anime Central. Nothing too spectacular about it. In my opinion, I don't think Okita has very many good figures. They seem to not be able to get the hair correct. I don't like the hair most of the time. I think there's one figure that's coming out that I am somewhat interested in, but I'd have to see. That brings me to the question, if you guys collect anime figures, what was your first figure? So yeah, if you guys could give me feedback on these videos, kind of tell me what you guys would like to see. If you guys enjoy the extra little bits that I add, I would appreciate if you guys give me any feedback on how I can make these videos better. I like adding these little bits of other merchandise that I got to these videos. Make it not just about opening one figure or two, but having more of an experience of showing off all the things I own. Leave a like if you like this video and comment to start a conversation, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.